JPRO includes a detailed user guide that covers all of the features included in the software. Learning how to effectively navigate this guide will greatly help you reduce support calls, learn about new features in the program, as well as troubleshoot issues. To open the user guide, navigate to the Help button at the top of JPRO. The guide will start with an interactive table of contents containing links to various sections. Or if you know the specifics of what you're looking for, try the search function. To start a search, select Find in Page from the Edit menu. Let's say you want to learn about how to perform a forced DPF regen. Just type DPF service into the search bar and select the appropriate link. You should now see a page in the user guide that introduces after-treatment diagnostics and instructions for performing a regen. For more tech tips, visit us at Noregon.com.